The aliens.
Yeah, they're the aliens. Now what does it say here? Roar!
Rex is a dinosaur.
Very good. Roar!
Andy.
What's that word?
Andy
Uh-huh.
is big now.
Andy is big now. Very good, Peter. You're reading your very first book by yourself.
Andy don't get
Louder.
a new
Very good.
home.
Very good, Peter.
A new
They.
they meet
Very good.
new toy.
They meet new toys. You're right.
Also is a I don't know what this is.
Teddy.
Teddy bear.
Right.
Oh no, what this is?
He.
He likes
He is.
the oh no.
Boss.
Boss.
He is the boss. Lotso.
Likes to hug.
Lotso likes to hug. Do you like to hug?
Yeah.
Who do you like to hug?
Oh no.
Do you like to hug Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Peter, say, my baby can read.
My baby can read.
I love you.